And the latest related to the BJP-Sena tension. Clearly, the tensions are simmering. The Sena have made the 119-seat proposal to the BJP, but the BJP continues to stand firm on its demand. With the crucial Maharashtra polls lined up for next month, will the Sena and BJP bury the hatchet, or will they decide to fight the polls alone?
One of BJP's oldest allies, and their alliance is now probably facing the worst crisis. The seat-sharing issue making no headway, with both parties not relenting on the seat-sharing formula.
महाराष्ट्र का स्वाभिमान और शिवसेना का आत्मसम्मान हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
ऐसा लग रहा है कि
महाराष्ट्र को कोई झुका नहीं सकता,
ऐसा लग रहा है
और शिवसेना को कोई झुका नहीं सकता।
Hectic parleys on in both the camps as a compromise formula is being worked out. But sources suggest that Shiv Sena is adamant on giving 119 seats to BJP, a proposal which BJP is likely to reject.
जब तक 19 तारीख का काउंटिंग समाप्त नहीं होता, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का हर कार्यकर्ता मन वचन कर्म से इस चुनावी समर के अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पूर्णतया समर्पित रहकर विजयश्री का वरण कर वापिस आएगा.
And now what remains is only a battle of egos between the oldest allies. With less than a month to go for crucial assembly polls in Maharashtra, will the two parties bury the hatchet, or will they decide to go alone? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Kajal is with us for a fresh update. Kajal, the Shiv Sena was indeed hoping that after the recent bipoll drubbing, it will have a greater elbow room in the whole, bargain business and the seat sharing, but that doesn't seem to be happening at all.
Well, both the parties are using the words self-respect right now for what is actually an ego clash between both the parties. The Shiv Sena and the BJP, both of them are not willing to budge. In fact, after the way the BJP was initially, according to the Sena, after the way the BJP initially acted high-handedly, the Shiv Sena is now not even willing to give them the 119 seats that they had in the previous elections. What we hear from Shiv Sena sources is that they will give them 119, but within that 119, the BJP will also have to give 12 seats to the smaller parties, the allies like the RPI, the Rashtriya Samaj Paksha and the Shetkari Sangatana. Now this will significantly reduce the tally of the BJP, which is why the BJP is not willing to accept this formula, and the BJP is expected to hold a core committee meeting of the state leaders today at around 11 o'clock, in which this proposal of the Shiv Sena, which they gave after a meeting last night, will be rejected completely by the BJP. The BJP is of the opinion that the Lok Sabha election results warrant a higher percentage of the seats for the BJP, and the BJP is of the opinion that the Shiv Sena's Lok Sabha win can also be attributed to the Modi magic, and that is why the Shiv Sena should be actually giving them more seats.